In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications in Jira. If you've been overwhelmed by the constant stream of notifications flooding your inbox, then this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk through the steps to regain control over your email and ensure you're only getting the notifications you truly need. Let's get started. First, from your Jira homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a settings icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Notifications. This is your central hub where you can manage how Jira communicates with you via email. Once you're on the notifications page, look for a section labeled Email Preferences. This is where you can tailor your email notifications based on your role and the activities you wish to follow. A little further down, you'll find a segment titled Send Me Emails for Issue Activity. This part is crucial as it gives you the flexibility to decide how and when you receive updates regarding Jira issues. Now, under the section Receive Emails When, you'll notice several checkboxes. These checkboxes are organized under various categories such as when you're the assignee, you're the reporter, or you've made changes to issues. By unchecking these boxes, you tell Jira that you don't want to receive emails for these specific activities. It's that simple. If there are certain notifications you do want, ensure those boxes remain checked. For those who want to go a step further, there's an option to toggle Send Me Emails for Issue Activity to off. By doing this, you effectively switch off all email notifications related to issue activities. It's a handy feature if you prefer to monitor your Jira dashboard rather than your email inbox. Additionally, you have the option to toggle group notification emails together to off. This feature is typically used to compile multiple notifications into a single email. However, turning it off means every notification is sent separately, but given the context of limiting emails, you might choose to keep this one off too. Lastly, we explore default notification settings at the bottom. Here you'll see more boxes under notifications for all issues and notifications for relevant issues. Uncheck these as necessary to fine-tune your notification preferences even further. This ensures you're not alerted to every issue out there, but rather only to the relevant ones that pertain directly to your work or that you specifically deem important. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a much clearer, more manageable email experience that aligns with your personal needs and workflow. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Jira notifications. Stay productive.